In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Adobe XD, an essential tool for designers who want to create stunning user interfaces and experiences. Whether you're a beginner exploring digital design or a professional looking to enhance your skills, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. We'll walk through setting up your first project, choosing the right artboard size, and naming your project for easy reference. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to launch Adobe XD. You can do this by opening the app on your Windows or Mac computer. Once the application is up and running, you'll be greeted by the Welcome or Start screen. This screen acts as your main hub, where you'll find options for starting new projects or accessing recent files. It's a fantastic starting point, especially if you're eager to quickly jump into a new design. Now, you'll want to choose the size of your artboard. On the Start screen, Adobe XD provides a range of presets for various design purposes. You'll see options such as iPhone for mobile design, Web 1920px for desktop layouts, and Instagram if you're focusing on social media graphics. These presets are designed to save you time and provide a quick foundation to start designing within the common dimensions of these platforms. However, if your project requires specific dimensions that aren't covered by these presets, you have the flexibility to go custom. Simply opt for the Custom Size option, and here you can manually enter the width and height that best suits your project. For instance, if you need an artboard that's 1440 pixels wide by 1024 pixels in height, type these values in and confirm. Having the right artboard size ensures your design fits perfectly into the final medium it's intended for, so take a moment to consider what's most appropriate for your project. Once your artboard is set up and you're ready to begin your design, it's important to name and save your project. Start by navigating to the File menu and selecting Save As. It's a good idea to give your project a meaningful name that reflects its purpose and version, such as Project Name UIV1.xd. This method of naming not only helps you stay organized, but also makes it easier to locate your project files in the future. Finally, choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save your work, making sure it's somewhere you'll remember or can easily access next time. In just a few steps, you've set the foundation for your design work in Adobe XD. By understanding how to launch the app, choose the right artboard size, and save your project efficiently, you're well on your way to creating beautiful and functional designs. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing the fantastic interfaces you're going to create. Stay tuned for more tutorials and design tips in the future.